Maybe this is what Hugo Bros was avoiding, man. But nah, fuck it. You can't even give him the benefit of the doubt because, first of all, in Mexico are not as good as the Germany. And I don't think we are as poor as the Curacao, who are making their debut in this tournament, right? They had a very positive approach in the beginning of the game, and they got back into the game after falling behind. But unfortunately for them, and we are now seeing how these water breaks are affecting the momentum of the game. Unfortunately for them, while their momentum was still up, we go to a water break. Germany get a chance to regroup. The coach gets a chance to reiterate some of the tactics that they should deploy. And subsequently, after that water break, momentum in Curacao is gone. Germany score. And then it was just the floodgates were open after that, right? It seemed like with every attack, Germany were just reminding themselves of who they are. Brilliant, brilliant display. A 7-1 scoreline. We are not seeing this for the first time with the Germany in the World Cup. You wouldn't put Germany as one of the favorites to go on and win this tournament, right? But you also cannot write them off because they are a team that has that caliber to reach the final stages of this competition. Certainly have the experience in their side. But if you look at their personnel, it's not the biggest of stars that we are normally used to in the German team, like Cabo Schwansteiger, Abo Balak, Podolski, Miroslav Klose, Thomas Muller, Khedira, but they have a good balance in their team, right? They are very solid and fluid in attack. Abu Musiala, Frolian Wirtz. You have Kai Havertz, a very, very good. Kai Havertz is actually a very underrated number 9. And then in midfield, you still have two midfielders who play for two of the biggest clubs in Germany, in Unimecha for Dortmund, and then you have Pavlovic playing for Bayern Munich, right? So also a solid base. In defense, Uta and Schlotterbeck, who got the goal, also Bayern and Dortmund, right? Very, very solid. And then you have Kimmich on the right. I don't know much about that Brown, but he also got a goal. So they have a solid 11 that can compete with any team in this World Cup. But anyways, before I talk too much, the biggest scoreline in the World Cup so far, 7-1. Messi-less, man. As I said, Jermaine, this team reminds me of Bayern and how ruthless they are. Bayern, once they can see you, boy, they can go on until the clock stops. But this almost guarantees that they are through in this group.